Have you ever recorded a whole video only to find that you didn't turn your microphone on? Me too. So today we're going to be talking about Cleantle. So I have the whole line of Cleantle products. There are a bunch of them here. And this is the whole line that's available in the United States. So you can buy these currently from the House of Rags. I will put a link in the description. If you follow that link to get Cleantle or any other products on the House of Rags, you will save 10%, and I will get 10% as a kickback. That is one of the ways that viewers like you help to support my channel and allow me to buy an entire product line full of products so that I can test them, review them, and give you my thoughts on them. What is Cleantle? Well, Cleantle is a Polish brand that is centered around having products that are easily biodegradable and as safe for the people using them, the environment, and the surfaces as possible. So they are really designed for safety and kind of leveling up the materials that we're using and the products and things that we're exposing ourselves to as people that are detailing cars. The bottles are pretty simple, as you can see. This is what a bottle looks like. We've got the Cleantle logo. We have either yellow, pink, green, or brown. And then here it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is wheels, 2 is body, 3 is interior, 4 is coating, and 5 is accessory. On the back, you'll see Polish and English instructions, well, Polish and English explanation of what the product is, followed by over here, a how to use in both Polish and English. So this one is De-Iron Man, which is an iron remover. De-Iron Man is a safe, pH neutral agent designed to remove deeply embedded metallic impurities from the surface. And then it says how to use, spray on contaminated surface, blah, 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 rinse off, etc. Additional recommendations: do not apply on hot surfaces. So all of the bottles tend to contain additional recommendations. They might be something like the tire dressing says, do not apply this on floor mats, or something along those lines. If there is danger, it tells you what the danger is. This is what it contains. It's irritating to the skin, can cause serious eye damage, harmful to aquatic life, etc. Right? All of the pink products are body. All of the brown products are interior. This one over here is under the coating section, it's ceramic booster. And then there is an accessories category, which I don't have any products from. So I have everything that they sell besides their coatings, their actual like ceramic coating products. Now on every bottle, if they contain a scent, they tell you what the scent is. So in this case, it says lemongrass. I will say that the products smell really good. There is a little bit of inconsistency between some products contain the same scent. Like this Easy1 QD is black cherry and this TFR pre-wash is black cherry, but like a pre-wash is pretty caustic generally. So this one smells better than that one does, for example. This is a 500 ml bottle. They have a 1 liter bottle, which is right here. Some of the products are available in 2 liters as well. I got the smallest size they carry from the House of Rags for each one of these. So this is what the half liter bottle looks like. The bottles are HDPE. They're nice. They're well done. They come with caps like this on them when you buy them from the store. And these are like child safe caps, you know, that you can spin and you don't remove, but you have to push down and turn to remove them. So that is nice. Again, safety, healthy, all of that kind of stuff. I've talked about these sprayers before. They're very similar to the ones that Koshchemi puts on their blue line of products, that are on the Built Handler products, that are on Labo Cosmetica products. They work really well. They've got an indent for your fingers here. They don't have adjustable, like fully adjustable spray. They just have on, off, and they have like the words kind of cut into the top there. But these sprayers do work well. I've used them before. I do like them. So, you know, they're not my favorite sprayers from like a factory bottle are the ones that Armor Detail Supply gives you. I like those ones a lot because they're kind of fully adjustable. But these are honestly an awesome sprayer from a factory bottle. They work really well, so I'm not going to knock them for it. They're not my favorite, but they're probably like my second or third, if that makes sense. Well, I guess second would probably be a Tolco, and third would probably be these. So let's just go through the line. I'm going to explain what's here. Now this is a big line of products. It's this Thursday night. This video is going to come out on Friday. I will be using these products to clean on Saturday and Sunday. So if there's something that you want to see in particular, drop a comment down below and I will try to do a short for you on that particular product and get it out a little bit faster if it's not going to be like in my first video. Starting off with the tires and wheels, we've got a De-Iron Man, which is an iron remover. We've got a tire and wheel cleaner, which is a tire and wheel cleaner. And then we've got a tire dressing. On the body, we've got industrial degreaser, then bug remover, then a pre-wash, an acid shampoo, and a citrus foam, daily shampoo, final prep, which is like a panel wipe spray, Easy1 QD, which is a quick detailer, and glossify, which is a gloss enhancer. On the interior, there's APC, which is all-purpose cleaner. There is fabric clean. There is interior cleaner, interior quick detailer, interior dressing, leather cleaner, leather quick detailer, leather protection. And then this last one is ceramic booster. Now, like I mentioned, they do all smell good. One thing that I do like about the bottles is right on the back, the instructions for use are very simple. This says dilution 1 to 10 through 1 to 20, depending on heaviness of contaminants. You know, this other one here, daily shampoo, says 20 to 40 of the concentrate per 10 liters of water. This one, for example, says 100 ml to 1000 ml of water for washing for heavy soiling, or 50 to 1000 ml of water for regular washing. You know, they make it nice and simple. So one of the cool things about them, one of the differentiators, you know, I'm always looking for what's different, is they pride themselves on having bottles that don't have to have warnings. So most bottles are going to have some sort of warning on it. So if like we pick up this industrial degreaser, it says, causes serious eye damage. If medical advice is needed, have product container at hand, wear eye protection. If in eyes, rinse continuously with water for several minutes, remove contact lenses, continue rinsing, contact a doctor immediately. This one says no pictograms. That means that there are no pictures of like somebody trying to wash out their eyes. There are no warnings on the back. It says readily biodegradable, maximum surface/user safety, 99% naturally derived, and no pictograms. And almost their whole interior line of products is that way. All of them are, except for, I want to say it's this one, which is the APC. Even this, like interior cleaner or the leather cleaner, no warnings. There are some additional recommendations, like this one says do not apply on hot surfaces, do not allow to dry, but no warnings. So I think that's actually pretty cool. This one too, no pictograms, no sodium hydroxide, maximum surface/user safety. This is the fabric clean. So clearly they're trying to move towards having products that are as safe to use as possible. And I think that they're doing a better job than any other line that I've seen so far, honestly. I mean, this is what they're building their brand on. And it is a differentiator, I think, for a lot of people, especially as time goes on, especially as everybody knows somebody who's had cancer. Everybody knows somebody who has gotten sick, you know, and it's like, why not have something that's safer, especially if it's not a significant amount more money. Oftentimes safety means more money, but these products seem to be really, really dilutable. I know that the people that have messed around with them have been very happy with the products. So it is a line that I'm really interested in testing. I think it's going to be one like Labo Cosmetica and Armor Detail Supply where I end up keeping like a fairly decent portion of the line. The line has a lot of products, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of overlap, which is nice. You know, they've got an iron breaker and a separate tire and wheel cleaner. They've got an acidic soap, an alkaline soap, a regular snow foam, and a regular shampoo. So while there are 4 shampoos, they are all different, which is nice. Yeah, so anyway, I'm excited to try these. The videos are going to be coming out in the next couple of days. So check them out. If you're interested in looking at the products, like I said, there's a link in the description. It's going to get you 10% off of anything that you get. And $125 is going to get you free shipping. And it's going to give me a 10% kickback of whatever you do end up buying so that I can reinvest in more stuff like this. So that's all I have for tonight. We'll be messing around with these tomorrow. I do have some more stuff on the way. I have Guist and I have Lithium over there that I'm going to mess around with. I have a diamond Protech coating that I'm going to be doing coming up soon. I did also talk to NextLED today, NextLED. And I'm going to have some of those coming to the channel at some point soon so that I can test them out. They have a couple different products, some paint correction lights, some that are just more work lights. And we're going to see how they compare to my Scan Grip over here and some of the Milwaukee and other lights that I have around the shop and see how good they are. So that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.